This video I'm going to show you how to switch personal to professional account on Instagram. So first I open Instagram app on my Android phone. Now click on this icon logo. Then again click on edit profile. You need to click on the edit profile. Then scroll down, you can see switch to professional account. Just again click on next. Again select your category. So I chose digital creator. If I find it, that's good. Musician, digital creator. Okay, switch to professional account. Creator business. Okay, next again click on. Wow, it's working right now. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe to the channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.